Hey, so today we'll take a look how to make patch in Sunday Keys app for worship. Yahweh will manifest Himself. As you can see, I've chose to uh, use this custom jet guitar, SK Grand piano, those piano sounds, and this synth bass and strong pad. And this is my settings for the worship, uh, for the whole worship. And when I play solo, it sounds like this. Not sounds, it looks like this. Just this one is much higher. And yeah, so basically this is how it looks. And now I will show you how it sounds